We come to the end of this course, and it might be the end of this course, but it's the beginning of a journey for all of you. I remember the day when my journey began, and I didn't know what was in. Today, when I look back to that date, I realize that even today I'm learning, because it's a vast ocean, and the deeper you go, the more fathomless it seems to be. It's a very exciting, it's a very adventurous journey. And I wish and pray that all of you go through that adventure, remaining true to the principles of Bachelor therapy, remaining true to the guidelines, remaining true to the rules, some of the rules which are not compromisable, which differentiates a true blue therapist from just another practitioner for that matter. So I wish and pray that you take up therapy in the right earnest, in a very purposeful manner, and heal as many as possible, transform as many lives as possible, and make vascular therapy a therapy of choice for time to come. With that,
Thank you.
I would request you all to please share your experience of these 12 hours of this course, Transforming Lives with Bachelor Therapy, and how is it going to help you. There is a message you want to go out to the world from you. You can also leave that message here.
Um, First, I would like to thank Universe because I was searching for the bachelor therapy. It popped up in the Facebook about you're conducting a course, and I'm thankful for that moment because it is my inner thought that I wanted to learn this bachelor therapy, and I was not I didn't know anything about you, but after the first session itself, I thought the universe has blessed me with a perfect guru for me. Now I'm not only the therapist. Now I know how to mix the remedies and how to diagnose the thing and how to write the prescription and everything. And with this 12 hours, I feel I got full train, and with full confidence, I can go and help others. Thank you so much, and I thank the universe for everything.
Thank you.
It was a wonderful journey. I really thank Universe and Kala for making me giving the lead to join Bachelor. I was always curious with this Naran Balakumar who is in Chennai. He used to put up looking at those the informations and the site about Bachelor. I was keen in learning it, and it just happened and fell in place. Always in my family, we've always been like transforming people, come out of the medicine and learn to live your life healthy way. So this is going to really help in transforming people and in the natural way. And it was a wonderful journey to study under you, sir, under your guidance, and hope I'll do justice to whatever I have learned from you. Thank you, sir.
I'm sure you'll do justice. Niti, it's your turn.
Sir, I would like to thank God first, and then I would like to thank you for teaching me all this. Definitely, I had been working on these vibrational things since long, but this is altogether a new feather into my cap, what I can say. And under your guidance, I can just pray to God that I come up with all the expectations what you have out of me. And I've learned, you've given me the utmost what this therapy can give. And I would seek your blessings. And of course, God is there to help me to come out as the best.
Thank you very much. As an instrument of God, all that is there for you is going to you already. It is there with you.
Thank you, sir.
Sumegha,
To begin with, I have experienced various amazing moments with flowers. I have been using them since 2007, I will say. And it is surprising that I'm at Indranil sir. Atulji just stays opposite me. And I have been trying to have class with him for so many years. Imagine he's just across the road and I'm not able to have the class with him. And I find Indranil ji in his friends class, in the friends Facebook friends. And then I contact him. For last 2 months, I've been trying to have the class with him. It's not happening. I'm really thankful to him that he made it a weekend class and I could join. And first 2 days, I felt, I was just brushing up with the batch class. I felt maybe I have not gained the much knowledge. But when Sir came to the third day and his insight, maybe we could have got it reading books also. But somebody is telling you after a book has been read. That makes a remarkable difference. Somebody who has read a book and he tells you this is the procedure to be followed, or these are the things that need to be followed. He has made it so easy for us with the chart that is done and explanation of the outer flowers and communication flowers or large. He has done it so nicely. I mean, I think even without the book and without any reference, I'll be able to remember. And
Awesome.
Sir is as amazing as the bachelor remedy. We have 38 class. I think Sir is the ninth one. That is what I would say. And it is only when the divine wishes that we go into all these alternate healing therapies. And bachelor only comes to you when the divine wishes. That is what I think. When the bachelor wants to come to you, only they will come. Otherwise, I have seen people struggle that they want to go for this class and they don't make it at all. Or they make it, but they don't believe in it. These things also happen.
So
And
true.
like the way doctors take oath that they will stand up for the medicine, I mean, do good always. Like that's how we assure you that we will also do the best under your guidance with the best class.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you, friend.
Thank you. Okay, finally, we have Soma to come out of the hiding and share.
Yes, thank you so much, sir. And I was doing and reading and this for my son from very long time. So I was learning here and there, but now I have learned it more systematically with the Cramer's. This track method is really a wonderful method. I had no idea before that, but this is really something make us more meaningful, and going step by step is a really a very nice thing to know, sir. And I hope this will deepen my knowledge more, sir. Thank you so much.
My pleasure to hear this. And once again, I wish you all the very best. Uh, my support is always there. You will all be a part of a cohort of all the therapists who have graduated from this program. There have been 9 batches before yours, so there would be close to about 70 of them. There will be a Facebook group which I'll share the link with, and you will be a member of that Facebook group also. And I have recently started a program called Ask Me Anything, which is a weekly program where all of you will be invited to ask your questions. And I will attempt to answer these questions. So there are different ways by which we'll stay connected. So you can count upon whatever little guidance I can continue to offer. You can count upon that.
Sir.
Thank you
Thank
so
you,
much,
sir.
sir.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
Very good night to
Sir,
all of you.